Here I have OPPO A78 5G, and today I'm going to show you how to transfer files from internal storage to SD card on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open Files application. It could be Files by Google or My Files, like the standard one. Let's try this one. So here you can transfer photos, videos, audios, documents, APKs, archives. So let's try transferring some photo, for example this one and this one. Then you select move or copy, depending if you want to copy these images or if you want to move them. So let's copy, then select where to, in our case to SD card, to the folder pictures for example, and tap paste to here. And now you will have these images not only on your device storage but also on your SD card. And here they are. And also on our device storage. Okay. No items here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.